So we're starting off with 1 bag of marshmallows. Alongside with that, we'll throw in a 1/2 cup of melted butter and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now give that a few minutes as you mix it together and the brown sugar starts to melt in with those marshmallows and the butter. Continuously stir so nothing burns. It should be just a few minutes and we're moving right along. This smells absolutely delicious. I wish that you could smell it through the screen. Holy cow. Adding that brown sugar makes such a difference. Now you can tell that everything is all mixed together. I am gonna grab some crushed pretzels that I have here and dump about 4 cups of crushed pretzels. Yeah, baby, right into that mix. And be patient, start to stir it all together until those pretzels are fully coated by that delicious butter and marshmallow and brown sugar. We'll take our pretzel mixture and put it right into our baking dish. Oh, look at all of that marshmallow. Ooh, the brown sugar, the butter. Holy cow. Wow, this is gonna be so good. Of course, you wanna just take a minute to spread that all over the bottom so you give yourself a nice little layer. Oh, you guys are gonna love these, an absolute must try. You probably even have some of these ingredients already in your cupboard. Even if you do, let me know. Are you gonna try this? Are you making this? So far, are you doing anything different? Wow, this looks so good. I can tell it's already starting to cool down. Those pretzels with that, oh, they're gonna be off the wall. Now we're gonna make it even better with some dark melting chocolate. I love Ghirardelli, but of course you can pick whatever you like. We're just gonna start by pouring all of this chocolate. Oh man, this is so therapeutic and satisfying just watching this melted chocolate just drip right out of this bowl and onto all of this pretzel mixture. Oh yeah, of course I wanna get all of that chocolate out of there. Holy cow. Now I used a total of 2 cups of melted chocolate. Oh, now of course, like if you want a thin layer, you use less. If you want a thicker layer, you use more, right? Maybe you're gonna add something else in, or you're gonna use a milk chocolate or a white chocolate. I would love to hear what your palate is, where your suggestions are. And this is just so velvety smooth as it pushes itself over the pretzels. I can just see the way that it sinks into all of those crevices. Oh, you guys, what an easy no-bake treat. Just a few ingredients here. And like, it's a bit different, right? It's not just your average crispy treat. We're just making it a little bit more fun and a little bit more tasty. Now I'm gonna add some coarse sea salt right on top. Once again, this is totally up to you. These toppings are optional. They will not affect the recipe in any way. So you could maybe use, I don't know, maybe you're gonna use some peanut butter chips or some Reese's or some M&Ms, perhaps even some Heath bars or some toffee. And maybe you're just gonna keep it easy and simple with a little bit of salt, or maybe nothing at all. Whatever you choose, you know I wanna hear all about it. Now I'm gonna set this to the side because I can feel like it's still warm underneath. We are gonna let this set and stick around because when I cut into this, you are gonna love the ooey gooey marshmallow paired with that crispiness of the pretzel and that chocolate right on top. Oof, this is gonna be sweet, salty, and super delightful. Alrighty, I have been patiently waiting for these. Oof, I am beyond due to give them a try. I'm gonna see if I can just pull it away with this knife right here if all works out. Oh, bam, there we go. Should be able to take out that big piece. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, let's see. Can we just pull the parchment paper? We sure can. Wow, look at that bottom. That looks so tasty. Doesn't that look so good? Holy cow. Give me some. All right, let's see. I'm gonna cut through all of that pretzel. Oh, I can hear the crunch of the pretzel and then just like the sliding of just that softness from the marshmallow. Oh, my kids are gonna love these. Oh, let's get this right out. Oh my gosh. gosh, that marshmallow looks delicious. Look at that. Wow. Holy cow, look at that pull from that marshmallow. Oh, wow, that looks so good. There are so many options and combinations with this one, you guys. Share with me what you think about this tasty treat. And yeah, if you're gonna do anything different, or you're gonna throw anything in, I don't know. I'd say you need to give it a try. I give it a 10 out of 10. All right, you guys, we'll see you later. Hope you enjoy.